Hi, my name is Tracy Collins. I am the owner and founder of Virtual Bookkeeping Pro. Bookkeeping for HVAC, special considerations for HVAC companies. Bookkeeping is just as important for the HVAC industry as it is for any other industry. Being a successful company requires bookkeeping and accounting. Keeping up with your finances can help you make better business decisions and assess the health of your business. Here are some specific considerations for bookkeeping in the HVAC industry. Job costing. Job costing is the act of tracking job expenses to help with your pricing. Job costing is a critical component of bookkeeping in the HVAC industry. It involves tracking the cost of labor, materials, and other expenses for each job to ensure that the business is pricing its services appropriately and making a profit. Inventory management, such as parts and equipment. It helps manage your cash flow. Plus, it also helps you keep track of what parts you have in your vehicles. HVAC businesses often carry a significant amount of inventory, such as parts and equipment. Accurate inventory management is essential for ensuring that the business has the necessary parts and materials to complete jobs and for managing cash flow. Time tracking. Technicians can work on multiple jobs in a single day. Time tracking and bookkeeping will help you ensure that they are appropriately compensated. HVAC technicians make work on multiple jobs in a single day, making time tracking crucial for accurate job costing. Time tracking software or manual time cards can help track technician hours and ensure that they are appropriately compensated. Maintenance agreements. Maintenance agreements are agreements to maintain equipment. This will help you track payments, service calls, and related expenses. Many HVAC businesses offer maintenance agreements to customers. Bookkeeping for these agreements involves tracking payments, service calls, and any expenses associated with providing the maintenance services. Accrual accounting. Match revenue and expenses to the period in which they are earned or incurred. This will provide a more accurate picture. HVAC businesses can use accrual accounting to match revenue and expenses to the period in which they are earned or incurred. This method provides a more accurate picture of the business's financial health and can help with budgeting and forecasting. My name is Tracy Collins. I am the owner of Virtual Bookkeeping Pro. I am a degreed accountant whose passion is to help home service pros and small businesses live their best life. My motto is, if you aren't reaping the rewards of your business, you might as well go back and work for the man. Reach out to me through my website at Virtual Bookkeeping Pro or on social media at Facebook and Instagram.